Good to go? Yeah, so I didn't have a lot of luck with penalties for quite some years. But, you know, it comes down to a shootout and it's a bit of a lottery. I was strangely calm once extra time was over. I remember just thinking the whole of extra time, just don't lose it now, don't lose it now. You know, they hit the bar and I think twice within a couple of seconds of each other. But as soon as it went to penalties, I just knew what we had to do, really. Done the research, had the video from the PA team, just prepped well and just went the right way, and luckily it all came off. The first penalty taken for Bala wasn't one that I had any video on, so I just sort of went for it. And he was a really poor penalty as well. I just rolled into my hand, so pleased. But yeah, back at that point, you give whoever the next taker is an opportunity. I can't imagine the pressure that's on them, because there's not a chance I would have put my hand up to take one. But you're just hoping and praying they hit the target and it nestles. Obviously the first one went the right way, didn't know anything about it. The second one, I was pretty confident he was going to go high and top right with power, and he did. I know he skied it, but I was heading that way. And the third one, just held for as long as possible before going. Fourth one, we knew where he was going, I just couldn't get there. But you know, you do the research and you hope that pays off, and thankfully on that day it did. He's had some coverage, this water bottle, but it's not a new thing at all. I think it's been done in the Olympics in hockey. You know, Pickford's obviously done it before. Just taped it up, wrote which way we thought was best, and just read it before every penalty. Just throw yourself in that direction and hope the ball hits you, really. Yeah, I didn't actually know that we were going through if he scored at that point. There was someone behind the goal that mentioned that he said, "You score this, you're through." And I was thinking, right, okay. You see it's L's and you're thinking, we'll be all right here. I don't know what it was in me, but it told me to turn around, and I watched him slot it, and I just remember throwing the bottle up in the air and just legging it towards where he was heading. So moments like that, you know, don't come around very often, and I just remember just being overwhelmed with emotion, to be honest. And you know, there's a couple of pictures where a few of us are in tears, and I remember just thinking, I really want to enjoy this, but I can't. You know, to have come so far as a group from Div 3 and to have qualified for Europe was crazy.